of you, but now it's your turn as well. So, this is what we're going to do. Those of you in the expensive seats up here, you're going to sing Swing Low Sweet Chariot. Yes, they're all going, we know that one. Those of you on this side, Oh When the Saints. Another, yes. Down here, This train is bound for glory. This train. Sing that several times. This train is bound for glory. I'm going to tell everyone its story. This train is bound for glory. This train. I'm going to sing, sing, sing. I'm going to dance, dance, dance. I'm going to sing. I'm going to dance. Alleluia. When the gates are open wide, I'll be standing by your side. I'm going to sing. I'm going to dance. Alleluia. If in doubt, make it up. Because 200 other people are as well, so it's fine. Now, within each choir, we should manage all 4 songs. So ultimately, if you're not sure what to do, find a singer here who appears to be mouthing the same words as you, latch onto them, smile, and just sing something. If you don't end up singing the song that I've suggested, just sing something and have fun. We call this the gospel medley because, fairly obviously, they all come from the gospel tradition one way or another. So this time, what will happen? We will sing together all 4 songs, just as we've just demonstrated. However, after you've heard all 4 songs, chaos reigns supreme. Because at that point, I shall do this, which means all 4 songs are sung both simultaneously and at the same time. I do that joke every time I do this song. I really should change the record, but never mind. Good luck. See you at the end. Oh, if you do this well, you get an interval afterwards. If not, we'll just keep going. It's the gospel medley. Enjoy, relax, sing anything you like.
Come
I think you've earned your interval, well done. We haven't totaled it up here accurately, but I can tell you for a fact, with over 500 voices and an amazing 4-piece band. That was the Gospel Medley. Thank you very much. See you after the interval. Back in